Good morning, friends. I have a good news for you, and I mean it. I just want to introduce an amazing product, amazing and miracle powder. People call in Africa miracle powders, and I believe that is a miracle powder. Beside miracle of Jesus, there is a powder that does things that we call miracle powder. We deal with stem cells, as we know that all our body is composed of more than 70 trillions of of cells in general. But among those cells, there are particular cells they call we call it especially we call the stem cell. And in Diva stem cell, it repair, rejuvenate. We're going to see in a few minutes. Some of you that are jobless outside here, I just want to advise you to reconsider your status, to do something with your life. And this is a company that you can join us with a little amount of investment only. Only 2,500, you join us and you can change your life and have a massive income. Extra. If you are working already in your sector, you're working in this working sector, you can still work, because what you need the cell phone and your mouth and your brain. You have to recommend our product to whoever that is sick or somebody want to improve his health, and it will see the change. Because I have been touched by this product that changed my life. I was bedridden for more than 6 months with diabetic, BP, knee problems, back problems, and kidney that's always paining me. But by God's grace, everything is under control. And I used to have a vertigo that keep me in the bed all the time and keep me awake, because when I sleep, I'm paining. My head is paining, so I just be awake until I get very tired before I sleep. But this product changed my life, because really is very powerful. You can join us and change your life too. You can recommend this product to any patient, any patient, any person that even is healthy, that want to improve himself. What happened when at the Diva try the secret stem cell therapy? Okay, what you get ready to discover the amazing benefit of this revolutionary treatment. First, experience the improved skin elasticity and hydration for that youthful glow. You see me, I am 56 years old, but I look younger. So this is the best result of this product. Then number 2, say goodbye to wrinkles and fine lines. You see, there's no wrinkle on my face. Okay. 3, enjoy the faster recovery from injury and surgery. It's true. I get injury here. I think this one. You see, it get cured so fast. Okay. 4, boost your energy level and vitality like never before. That is true. I just come out from the sport. I went for a sport and I just come back. Then 5, enhance your immune system, helping your body fight of illness. When you use our product, it will help you to fight any type of illness in your body. 6, regenerate damaged tissue and promote the healing. The stem cell regenerate the damaged tissue also. Okay, all your tissue that have been damaged, all your cells that have been damaged, it repair. 7, reductions in the chronic pains and inflammation. I used to have a problem even to go first floor even, but now I just come even fourth floor by walking on daily basis. That's, I have lift, but I do that because I'm ready to face any challenge. 8, enjoy a better joint health and flexibility. That is true. Now my joint is okay. I walk fourth floor. Then next up, 9, improve your mental and clarity and focus. That's what I'm telling you. I start to write the book now because of this product. Helped me to think correctly. I used to write the books before, but now I start to do again. 10, balance hormone for overall well-being. It's good for ladies for that have unbalanced hormones. It's good for you guys, ladies. Say hello to the healthy hair and nails. Okay, for the lady that want to grow their nails and healthy hair, is good for you guys. And then 12, achieve a better sleep and quality, waking up refreshed. 13, support heart health and circulation. 14, strengthen your body, natural defense. And 15, experiencing overall a rejuvenation, feeling like a brand new you. I am brand new Ming. I am a brand new Ming. I guarantee you, I am a brand new Ming, because the product changed me. I look younger. I look like 25 years old, but nevertheless, I am 56 years old because of this product of Diva Stem Cell. I give kudos to the Diva International. I give kudos to Diva Stem Cell that have changed my life. I look younger. I will keep my life younger like that for long. So to amaze all people around me. If you want to change your life also, come and join us and change your life. Thank you, Diva Stem Cell. Thank you for my top level Rajendra. Thank you for everybody that use this product. You'll see the change and give the testimony. You can change your life through this product. Bye. With love. Diva Stem Cell, one family, good health, and massive income. Massive income. Good more earning. Good more earning. Good more earning. Thank you. See you to become our member and see you the top. Be number 1. If you want to be number 1, you're welcome.